What's going on? It's been watching back on the video. Today's what if Deku had Black Ice and Purple Lightning Part 3. You guys wanted it. Here comes it. He's gonna have the Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. You guys never said you wanted him to have it, nor did you say you don't want him to. So yeah, let's get into this ghost, mate. Hey yo, after this video, like for the next half an hour to an hour, I'm probably going to be on Discord, so if you want to chat with me, get ideas, give me ideas or something, yeah, I'll be on there. But anyway, let's get into this. I believe I stopped off at where I made him get into UA. Now, this one's going to be like 20 minutes, just so you know, guys, sorry. I was planning on doing 30 to 40 minutes, something like that, but I don't have a lot of time today. So sorry. Let's get into this, mate. And yeah, so basically, Deku gets in the UA. He has one for all. Deku gets in. Shoto gets in, and Shoto gets in. They're going like, yeah, mate, let's go. He gets paid $200. No, I'm joking. Him and all the girls in class 1A want him because he's like the strongest. They're like the strongest mom there. Anyway, let's get into the gosh. Okay, so they see Shota and Deku making out, and they go like, "Oh, no, this mate, you were getting out with me." So then he goes like, so Uchaki goes like, so you wanna make out with me? And he goes like, no, I don't want to make out with your hoe looking ass. With your hoe looking ass and my dumb looking ass beat. She goes like, everyone goes like, damn, he just roasted her ass. He goes like, get out of here, get out of here. You don't even, Mr. Razawa, get her out of 1A. And he goes like, sure, mate. Just don't kill me. And I'm gonna say Mr. Aizawa's quirk can only erase one quirk at a time. Orochimaru and Jima. So Deku having one for all and Black Ice and Purple Lightning would be a downside to Aizawa's quirk. But yeah, let's get into this good stuff. Deku has does the exam thingy-majigger instead of going to orientation. Raka gets taken out of class. She's expelled, yo. I'm gonna say he expels 3 kids. Raka. 4 kids, actually. Raka. Mineta. Hagakure. And Sue. You guys may be hating on me for this, but whatever. You guys hated on me anyway, so yeah. Yeah, Deku, yeah. Deku is, God damn it, what was I gonna say? Yeah, and who do you want to replace the 4 students that got expelled? I'm gonna say Kendo. Kendo's coming, definitely. Mei Hatsume, Shinzo, and Monoma. Monoma ain't gonna be an ass in this, by the way. And he's gonna be going like, yeah, I'm better than you. Hey guys, yeah. Sorry for that little bit of silence, guys. I basically just muted the mic. I don't actually have a lot of time left before I have to go. Because, you know, it's Chrissy in a few days, so yeah. Just gotta get everything prepared. I have to go up the coast to see my cousins and my other family. I haven't seen them in a hot minute or so. So yeah, that's only going to be like 10 minutes. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try doing the 30-minute part next time. Maybe even an hour. Just don't hate. Please, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. Goosh. But don't worry, guys. I'll still go on Discord. Because even if I'm going up the coast for that, I should be good. For, yeah. Anyway, let's get back into this. I've got like 4 minutes. I can deal with that. 3. Alright, skip to USJ arc. Deku's just being the shit out of Nomu. Like, this ice, it can't be broken. And he's sending, I'm gonna say awful ones there as well. Watching, and he says, whoever beats this normal, I will give them all the normal's quirks. Deku just goes like, beats normal. He goes like, oh, hell no. He goes like, again. And he does it again. He goes like, yeah, you can have the quirks. Bonk. Scenarios, regeneration, shock absorption, super strength. Oh yes, and Deku, he, has the ton of Mangekyo, so yeah. And then, like, he summons 15 other Nomus, goes like, if you can beat this, well, I'll just leave you guys alone. He just activates his Eternal Mangekyo Sharingan. And he goes like, perfect Susanoo! And they go like, oh, hell no! They go like, hell no! They just, like, leave, but before that, Deku picks up, All For One, Tomura Shigaraki, and the Nomus, Deku puts All For One in a Genjutsu, making All For One give Deku, his quirk, meaning that Deku has All For One now, and One For All, so yeah. The Goosh! And, yeah. He destroys all the Nomus. He kills All For One. Tomura Shigaraki gets away. On Yasuno, he gave Tomura he's already given Tomura one for all. I mean, All For One. Instead of like 50 chapters ahead. God damn it. And, yeah. Sorry guys, this is where I have to leave. Bye-bye.